Hello everybody and welcome. This is how you reset the tire pressure monitoring system on a 2017 Jonda Jazz. Without pressing the foot brake, press twice the ignition button, and then on the second you will see all the lights and dashboard will lit up. Then you go through the various options on the menu on the right hand side by using either the up or down arrows at the bottom of the steering wheel. You go through all the menu options until you will see this option that says select with the arrow. You press the select button and you'll see the option for the deflation warning system. Go again with either the up or down arrows on the steering wheel controls and select initialize. You select initialize and then keep pressing the button continuously until it will have the option to reset the whole system. And there you go, all done. You switch off the ignition, start it off again, and then the warning deflation system will disappear. But of course, it's always good to check the tire pressure before doing this.